Imagine having the power to streamline your marketing efforts, increase efficiency, and personalize customer experiences, all with the help of advanced AI technologies. Intrigued? Let's explore how this is becoming a reality. According to recent studies, businesses that leverage AI for marketing see an average increase of 20% in sales and a 30% reduction in marketing costs. Moreover, a report by Markets and Markets forecasts that the AI in the marketing market will grow from $12 billion in 2020 to $108 billion by 2028, highlighting the rapid adoption and potential of these technologies. Welcome back to Innovate Matrix, your ultimate source for the latest in AI marketing and news. Today, we're diving into a topic that's reshaping the marketing landscape: AI marketing automation. Before we get into the details, let me share a quick story. A friend of mine runs a small e-commerce business. He was spending countless hours analyzing customer data, tweaking campaigns, and still not getting the results he wanted. Then he decided to give AI marketing automation a try. In just a few months, he saw a significant increase in sales and a dramatic reduction in his workload. This technology isn't just for big companies. It's accessible and beneficial for businesses of all sizes. Traditional marketing requires a significant amount of manual effort, from analyzing customer data, personalizing campaigns. This process is not only time-consuming but also prone to human error. Enter AI marketing automation, a game changer that automates these tasks, making them more efficient and accurate. But how does it work, and what makes it so revolutionary? Predictive analytics. By analyzing historical data, AI can predict future customer behaviors and trends, enabling marketers to craft proactive strategies. Content creation. AI tools can generate personalized content at scale, from emails to social media posts, ensuring that each piece resonates with its audience. Campaign optimization. AI continuously monitors and adjusts marketing campaigns in real time to maximize performance and ROI. Customer journey mapping. AI tracks and analyzes the entire customer journey, providing insights into how customers interact with a brand and where improvements can be made. Let's take a closer look. The technologies powering AI marketing automation. Machine learning. This enables AI systems to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP allows AI to understand, interpret, and generate human language, making it essential for personalized content creation. Predictive analytics. This involves using statistical algorithms and machine learning techniques to identify the likelihood of future outcomes based on historical data. AI marketing automation is not just a theoretical concept. It's already being implemented by leading companies around the globe. For example, Netflix uses AI to recommend content based on user preferences, significantly boosting viewer engagement. Amazon, AI-driven recommendation system accounts for a substantial portion of its sales. Starbucks uses predictive analytics to personalize customer experiences, from drink recommendations to tailored promotions. But that's not all. Let's take a closer look at some specific advancements and their impact. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Many companies now use AI-powered chatbots to handle customer inquiries, provide product recommendations, even assist with purchases. These virtual assistants are available 24/7, providing instant support and freeing up human agents for more complex tasks. Programmatic advertising. AI is revolutionizing the way ads are bought and sold online. Programmatic advertising uses AI to automate the ad buying process, targeting specific audiences with precision. This means ads are placed where they're most likely to be seen by potential customers, maximizing ROI. Sentiment analysis. AI can analyze social media posts, reviews, and other user-generated content to gauge public sentiment about a brand or product. This helps companies understand customer opinions in real time and adjust their strategies accordingly. Dynamic pricing. Retailers use AI to adjust prices in real time based on demand, competitor pricing, and other factors. This ensures that prices are always optimized to maximize sales and profitability. AI-driven email campaign. AI can optimize email marketing by analyzing past campaign data to determine the best times to send emails, most effective subject lines, and the type of content that resonates most with recipients. Visual recognition. Companies like Pinterest and Instagram use AI to identify and categorize images, making it easier to recommend visually similar products to users. This enhances the shopping experience by making it more intuitive and visually appealing. Furthermore, AI marketing automation is becoming increasingly accessible, even for small and medium-sized businesses. Platforms like HubSpot, Salesforce, and Marketo offer AI-powered tools that help businesses of all sizes leverage the power of AI without needing a large technical team. As we continue to explore the fascinating world of AI marketing, stay tuned for our next video, where we'll uncover the latest trends and innovations in this rapidly evolving field. Trust us, you won't want to miss it. Some upcoming topics include the role of AI in enhancing customer loyalty program, how AI is transforming social media marketing, future-proofing your marketing strategy with AI advancement. Now, I want to hear from you. How do you think AI marketing automation can benefit your business? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments too. We'll be featuring some of your questions in our next video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Innovate Matrix, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep innovating.